Hello friends, today is September 10th and it is time for math. We're going to start with our math story today. So you need to get out your journal and turn to a fresh page. So get out your journal, turn to a fresh page, and we're just going to listen to the story the first time around. There are 8 children in the after-school cooking club. How many boys and how many girls might be in the class? Draw a picture and write a number sentence to explain your thinking. All right, so I heard there are 8 children in the after-school cooking club, so we need to draw 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Some are boys, so we'll write a B for boys, and some are girls, so we'll write a G for girls. We'll color the boys in the class blue and the girls pink so that we can keep them separated. So we're going to color in some of the circles, and that will represent the boys in the class. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many did we make blue? 5. That's the boys in the class. 5 boys. How many are left? Let's color them in. Those will be the girls. 1, 2, 3. So we have 5 plus 3 equals how many kids in total? 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 plus 3 gives us 8. We can make a number bond to match our number sentence. Part plus part is whole. How many boys are in the after-school cooking club? 5. How many girls? 1, 2, 3. How many students in all, or kids in all? Very good. 8. All right, if you haven't filled this all in your notebook, you can hit pause and finish up writing this story or filling out the number sentence in the number bond and our picture in your journal. We are going to move right along. Go ahead and turn to page 63 in your grade 1 module 1 math book. Page 63. It's going to look like this. And the number 63, in case you don't know, looks like this. So that's the page that we're going to. Put your finger under number 1. Jill was given a total of 5 flowers for her birthday. Draw more flowers in the vase to show Jill's birthday flowers. So we have 3 now. We need to get to 5. 3, so we're going to count on and draw. 3, 4, 5. Make these look more like flowers. How many flowers did I draw? 1, 2. 2 flowers. Write a number sentence and a number bond to match the story. So how many flowers do we have in total? 5 total flowers. How many flowers were already there? 3 were already there, plus we drew 2 more. So we have 2 plus 3 gives us 5 total flowers. Number 2, Kate and Nana were baking cookies. They made 2 heart cookies and then made some square cookies. They made 8 cookies all together. How many square cookies did they make? Draw and count on to show the story. So we have 2 cookies here. We need to count on and draw. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many square cookies did we draw? Let's count to see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oops. We need to redraw 2 because I accidentally made a line and had to erase. So we have 6 square cookies. Write a number sentence and a number bond to match the story. We need to fill in this box here. They wrote 2 plus something gives us 8. What number goes there? We already have 2 hearts, so we need to put the number of squares. Do you remember? Very good. 6. 2 plus 6 equals 8. Part plus part is whole. What are my parts? Very good. 2 and 6 are my parts. What is my whole? What is the total number of cookies? 8. Excellent. If you need more time to fill this in, go ahead and hit pause, and we're going to move along here. Here we go. I'm going to get our next part ready. Alrighty. Oops. It says we are now on the next page, so that would be page 64. 64 looks like this. If you just turn your page, we're right on the back. Put your finger under number 3, and we're going to get started reading this problem. Bill has 2 trucks. His friend James came over with some more. Together, they had 5 trucks. How many trucks did James bring over? So first, let's circle Bill's trucks. It says, Bill has 2 trucks. So these trucks right here, those are Bill's trucks. So I put a B by them for Bill. His friend James came over with some more trucks. Together they had 5 trucks. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trucks in all. There's Bill's trucks. How many trucks did James bring over? Let's count to see. 1, 2, 3. James brought over 3 trucks. Write a number sentence to explain the story. 2 plus 3 equals 5. How many trucks are there in all? Very good. 5 trucks in all. 2 trucks were Bill's. James brought over 3 more. Part plus part is whole. All right, our next problem. Jane caught 7 fish before she stopped to eat lunch. After lunch, she caught some more. At the end of the day, she had 9 fish. How many fish did she catch after lunch? So we need to circle and count the ones she caught before lunch. Says she caught 7 fish before lunch. So let's count up 7 fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those are the fish that she caught before lunchtime. At the end of the day, she had 9 fish. So how many fish did she catch after lunch? 1, 2. Good job. Jane caught 2 fish after lunch. Two fish after lunch. Write a number sentence to explain the story. 2 plus 7 equals how many fish in all? 7, 8, 9. Part plus part is whole. Go ahead and fill in your number bond. 7 fish she caught before lunch. 2 fish she caught after lunch, for a total of 9 fish in all. All right, and that is all we have for math today. Your job now is to do reflex until you get the green light, and then Zern for 30 minutes. Have a good rest of your day. Bye, guys. We can watch a little math video until our time here is over.